देखिए यहाँ पर द क्वेश्चन रीड्स tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. This I'll write it as LHS is equal to tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. This I can write it as tan theta by 1 minus cot theta. Instead of writing wherever cot theta is there, I am not going to write cot theta, I am going to write 1 by tan theta, because the reciprocal ratio of cot is tan. So instead of writing cot theta, what I will do is I will write it as 1 by tan theta. Here also instead of writing cot theta, I will write it as 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta. So if I do that, what is that I am going to get? See here, tan theta divided by this, if I take the LCM, it becomes tan theta minus 1. This becomes tan theta minus 1 divided by tan theta, if I take the LCM. Here again this becomes 1 by, see everywhere tan theta minus 1 is there, so what I will do is I will take minus common. If I take minus common, then what I get is tan theta into, instead of writing 1 minus tan theta, I will write here as tan theta minus 1. I will write here as tan theta minus 1. Suppose if I take the reciprocal here, what is that I am going to get here? I will get here tan square theta by tan theta minus 1 minus 1 by tan theta into bracket tan theta minus 1. Again I would like to take the LCM here. If I take the LCM here, what is that I will get here? This is tan theta minus 1 into tan theta, and already here tan theta minus 1 is there, so I have to multiply here by tan theta. Here already tan theta is also there and tan theta minus 1 is also there, so I need not multiply anything, it is into 1. So this will become tan cube theta minus 1. Tan cube theta minus 1, and 1 can be written as 1 cube also. Now this is a cube minus b cube, and a cube minus b cube, you know children, it can be written as, see you already studied in class 9th standard, a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b square. So that means what? A is here tan theta, so this becomes tan theta minus 1, that is a minus b. A squared means tan squared theta, ab means tan theta into 1, and tan theta into 1 is tan theta, plus b square means 1 square, and 1 square is how much? 1, whole divided by tan theta minus 1 into tan theta. So tan theta minus 1, tan theta 1 cancels here. So finally what we are getting here is, we are getting tan squared theta by tan theta, tan squared theta by tan theta. Again here tan theta by tan theta, and plus here I will write it as 1 by tan theta. Let us see what we are going to get here. This cancels here, it cancels here. So what I get here is, I am getting here tan theta, I am getting here tan theta. Here tan theta cancels, so what I am getting here? 1 I am getting, and this is 1 by tan theta, I am getting cot theta. Again children, simplify it further. Tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta plus 1, and here cos theta can be written as, cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. So what I will do here is, I would like to take here the LCM of this 1 I would leave it here, and these two I would like to add it here. See here, what I am getting here is sin squared theta. I'll get here sin squared theta. Here this I'll get cos squared theta divided by this 2 sin theta cos theta. So this, if I simplify, children, what is that I am going to get here? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 by sin theta cos theta plus 1. Now children, 1 by sin is cosec. 1 by sin is cosec and 1 by cos is sec theta plus 1, and that is your RHS. That is your RHS. Cosec